Ask your doctor about once monthly Cabenuva.
These are the faces of Listerine. The face of millions of germs zapped in seconds. The face of clean. The face of whoa. Some are of intensity. Others, joy. All are of Listerine. Feel the whoa.
Host of CMT Radio, Cody Allen, joins us live. Plus,
the rain will be heavy and just in time for the ride to work. We get started early to help.
Tomorrow.
Do it early, that's it.
There's been a flooding before, so I'm not taking any chances.
Right now at 5, wary residents bracing for a December deluge as an atmospheric river flows into our region. How long will this wet SoCal storm last?
Nothing that was standing in the direct line of this tornado is still standing.
Shock and sadness across the heartland as a deadly and devastating tornado swarm slams 8 states, leaving a terrifying trail of destruction and wiping out entire towns. Protecting yourself from the pandemic, indoor mask mandates return to the Golden State as the ominous Omicron variant fuels worries of another winter surge. The news at 5 starts right now.
Good afternoon. Hope you had a nice weekend. This is the Ktla 5 News at 5. I'm Cher Calvin.
And I'm Pedro Vera. Thank you for joining us. A powerful Pacific storm is looming over Southern California, threatening to bring heavy rain, mountain snow, and strong winds to our region.
Plus, there are concerns about flash flooding and mudslides in areas affected by wildfires. Burn scar areas in Santa Barbara, Orange County, and San Bernardino are already under an evacuation warning. We have live team coverage of the SoCal storm. We begin with KTLA's Carlos Saucedo. He is live in Lytle Creek, where residents are under an evacuation warning and bracing for potential damage. Carlos.
Good afternoon. We were here in this area not too long ago when a wildfire swept through the area of Lytle Creek over the summer. And if you take a look, you can still see some remnants, some evidence of what was left behind. But now a new type of threat, a different threat, as officers issue an evacuation order.
Attention, this is the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department. This area is under an evacuation order due to potential mudslides and flooding.
Bracing for the worst, evacuation orders in effect for portions of the Lytle Creek area due to the possibility of flooding and mudslides.
West here to Myers Canyon, and south, basically the residence is all in this area.
Okay.
Saw the fire take out some of the power lines, and then when we got here, all the fire departments were telling us to evacuate.
Resident Trinidad Howdigi recalls flames coming near his property not too long ago. The South Fire scorched several homes and vehicles in this community over the summer. Burn scars still visible in the foothills along the 15 freeway. But with the upcoming storm, another threat lingers.
We just know to grab what's necessary, what we actually need, and obviously take the animals with us, and just make sure everybody's staying close together.
Officials are predicting significant rainfall in areas affected by wildfires in San Bernardino County, issuing flash flood warnings and evacuations.
We're asking for voluntary compliance for them to leave. It is highly recommended for the safety and the safety of the community as a whole.
The main concern is loss of life over property. Rushing waters are unpredictable, triggering mudslides, potentially trapping people inside their homes.
Large amounts of water and large amounts of mud, yeah, they could take people's lives if they're not prepared and they're not used to being in the area, that we can't respond to them in a quick enough manner. We want them out of there.
First responders asking residents to take these orders seriously. Another warning, stay away from flood channels, basins, and canyons, which are vulnerable to floods.
Okay, so Carlos, what happens to residents who defy evacuation orders, as we've seen in the past, and they decide to stay behind?
Yeah, well, even though these are mandatory evacuation orders, officers are asking for voluntary compliance, which means they're not forcing residents to leave. Rather, they're going door to door, telling residents that it's in their best interest to get out if possible.
All right, Carlos Acedo reporting. Thank you. Let's get to Kurt Hawkins now, who's in right now for Vera tonight. And how's it looking? Because when I saw the radar earlier today, when you were in the 3 o'clock, it was just all green.
It was all green. In fact, within the last hour or so, we've seen some light sprinkles here in Hollywood and West Hollywood as well. We're hearing from viewers just about how